Hey yo, I been on, been con, Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. I mean I been storm, X-Men been form. He keep on dialing Nikki like the prince song. I been on, been con, Bentley tints on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm gonna be doing another headband wig, and I already did my edges and tied them down so they will be nice and sleek when I'm ready to put my wig on. The wig that I'm gonna be wearing today was sent to me from WoWigs, and it's in this colorful box that I cannot wait to open and show you guys what it looks like. So inside the box there's this bag with the hair in it, and inside the bag I have two headbands that comes with the wig. First I have this green one with some pink and beige on it. Then I have this blue one with pink also and beige on it. This is the wig that I'll be showing you guys today. It's a natural black 22-inch curly headband wig, and the density is 180%. I'm just checking the wig out right here, and already I noticed I'm gonna need to hydrate it so I could get these curls popping. Let me take this off. My edges definitely should be dry by this, and this is just a rapid styling strip that I'm using to hold my edges down while they dry. And you could find this on Amazon just in case you need to get you some. That's where I found mine. Before putting the wig on, I'm putting this stocking cap on under it, and this is totally optional. For some reason I just like stocking caps under my wigs. Now I'm gonna put it on to see what it looks like. This wig has a strap to secure it to my head, and it also has some clips in it. And I'll turn around in just a few to show you guys the back of it and how exactly I'm securing it onto my head. So this is how I pin the strap in the back of it. It's Velcro, so it's very easy to hook and secure to your liking. And after I got it in place exactly how I want it, I grabbed the wig with the clip and pin it right over the strap. And that's all I needed to do to secure it how I want it. Now I'm adjusting the front just to make sure that the stocking cap is properly covered because I don't want that to show. Now with some water and leave-in conditioner in this bottle, I'm gonna spray it all over the hair just to get it hydrated and have it looking, you know, all nice and moisturized, have my curls come back in. Now I'm gonna add some of this Contour Curl Activator Cream just to make it look more refreshed and, you know, alive and popping. And I'm gonna make sure I get it all over because I want my curls to look very hydrated, moisturized, and frizz free. The hair feels so nice and soft, guys. I wish y'all could feel it right now. I'm not kidding. You see how my fingers are just gliding right through it. Also, I'm not experiencing any shredding, so that's definitely a plus. And this here has a clip in the front of it that I could have used, but I guess I was just too stubborn and I didn't. And then that's the reason why I keep adjusting it. This is the finished look, you guys. Oh my god, I love it. It feels nice, it looks nice, it's lightweighted, and it's easy to install. Like, what's not to love about it? This is a quick look at the back so you guys could see how nicely these curls are looking. Oh my god, they are so gorgeous. I want to say a big thank you to WoWigs for sponsoring this video. I really like this hair, and this is definitely gonna be another one of my go-to style, especially when I'm having a bad hair day. All the information for this wig will be linked in the description box below, so please check that out, guys. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching. Would love for you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I post a new video, because yes, I'm always posting new contents. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.